Cat here. I have very good news. The F8 is running good, and we can concur. Here's the old wiring harness. I mean, overall the harness looks good. There's really nothing, I don't know, like, I can't honestly say, like, where a bad spot would be, even, you know, if it's just something where, watch, I'll find something here while I'm recording. I debated whether I'm going to cut this whole wiring harness open and take a look and do some testing, but honestly, I am too lazy to do that at this point. Or not too lazy, just like it's a lot of cutting wire to figure out where the break would have been. So the easiest solution is pick up a used harness for like $100 and change it out like we did over on that one. I can show you two wear spots that I did find, but I don't know how they could make a difference. One was here, so there's the wear, and the wires themselves don't look that bad. So that's the dilemma there, is they don't look bad at all. So I don't know why that's worn out so much there. If you guys can see it, I'm sure you can. There you go. And I'll show you where those wear marks are on that machine. So that wear mark is underneath this pipe. Underneath this pipe, and then underneath this air box. In fact, there's the... There it is right there. That goes under the air box. So... and the other wear mark, which was down to the wires, was behind this plate. There's a 2-prong plug, and it had visual wear on the wires themselves. So, but other than that, I'm a happy camper. Found the problem, found the issue. Again, checked everything else on this machine. Never thought it would have been the wiring harness. Like, it's just ridiculous. But just to give you an overall, changed those coils. Actually bought another set of coils, made no difference. Just because the ECU, the computer was flashing a code on the dash. So I looked up that code, it told me coils. So it wasn't that, but check the ECU, which I'll do a quick run through of everything. This is the last video anyways, so check that guy. Put another ECU on, no difference. That ECU didn't run good. This is called a CCU, this thing here, but it runs only your lights, your gauges, all your temperature control stuff. Just basically your heads-up display unit is what it comes down to. And then last but not least, the stator is down there. You take the recoil off, you pull the stator off. That was tested by the dealer. I actually took that I got fed up and I took it to the dealership, and they tested the stator. They changed those ignition timing sensors because we thought that's what the problem was, because a code came up on the Cat computer system saying something about timing sensors. Changed those ignition timing sensors out twice, and the first time we changed it, it ran good for about 15 miles, and then went right into the same problem again. So that didn't do it. Long story short, it was the harness, guys. And I'm going to keep this video short. So have a great day, and we will see you on the next video.